What's up, crew? It's your boy Steph, and we're back at it with some more videos. We got our Chinatown Market item that we're gonna look at first today. Wanted to check this out right away. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Once I hit 3,000 subs, I'm giving away a bunch of Supreme stickers, so you better subscribe now. Get in on that drawing. It won't be Chinatown Market stickers unless you ask me for one and you're the winner. I'll give you one of my Chinatown Market stickers. Here's another one I got, Fitness Club. There we go, straight from their shop. I had to get this basketball tee. I kind of wanted their Earth basketball, but I was thinking, I'm never gonna use it to hoop in. I'm not that kind of a baller. I'm so busy delivering mail at the post office right now. 60 hours a week they got me working, you know, getting all your packages to you. I don't got any time to hoop really. I mean, I'm trying, but I mean, I got the hoop shirt, so, you know, it does have a medium sticker right down at the bottom, the back of it, bunch of warning information. I opened up the plastic because I like to make sure there's no errors, and because I want to rock it. This is a acid washed, or I don't know, distressed kind of washed tee. It's not totally just gray. It's kind of like trying to be washed out black or washed out dark gray, but then on the front you have this bold, extreme, on fire Earth basketball from Chinatown Market. On the back of the neck, you do have your sizing and your print. Size medium, you know, that summer fit look. I'm 6'1" and really skinny, so this tee is gonna fit me pretty well. I'm thinking might be a little tight in the shoulders, but not that bad. Kind of stretch it out. Hey, what do you guys think about my shirt I'm wearing now? I made this myself, trying to go after those flames a little bit. I needed something that went with my Travis Jordan 1s. And I want to put on the red laces and maybe wear this shirt. I'm not sure though because the browns don't match. Totally not the same. That's more of an olive brown. But anyways, I'm going to throw this shirt on. Let's do it. And there we go. Yeah. This shirt is so fire. It's so cool. Dude, it like fits kind of weird up here. Like I was saying, it looked like it was going to be a little tight around the shoulders for me, which it is. But still looks great with my Yeezy, whatever these, my Yeezy mauves, you know. Gotta love those. Go with so many different outfits. They always look good. I tell you, I've been wearing them forever. These have gotten a lot of wear. They still look great. And yeah, with this shirt, just, they go well together. Anyways, we're gonna check out my shirt from Supreme now. Yes, the lizard tee. We're gonna open it up for everybody's viewing pleasure. And yeah, so this one came from Flushing Avenue, Building 3, Box 340. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, hey, we got a sticker pack. Look at that, another sticker pack. You could possibly win one if you enter my drawing. But yeah, we got the lizard in there, a 3D graph, a digitized graph. Oh, the bulldog, yeah. And then the Supreme box logo. All right, here it is. Here's the tee. The plastic is really loose compared to how they normally do it. And yeah, it seems like a totally different type of plastic. The warning information, totally different from normal Supreme warning labels. I've never seen this square box. This hole punch is maybe different as well. I don't know. There's one on both sides. But this sticker label, that's kind of common. There's that sticker label. You know you want to see it. Y'all can already tell the graphic on the front a little bit already. Size medium tag on there. I'm going to break into this plastic. I know everybody, you might get a little, ooh, gouge. And that plastic tears, but no, it's exactly what I want to do, so I'm going to do it. There it is. Size medium. Oh man, this is my first size medium from Supreme, and I'm telling you, that is going to fit great for summertime. It does have a good, nice bit of length. If you compare it to this Chinatown Market, it's got a little bit more length than this one. Well, I'll throw it on in a second, but let me show you the tag here. There we go, and the back. There's the back of the tag, beautiful. Oh yeah, see, like I told you, totally longer than that gray Chinatown shirt. It's got a good feel to it. It almost feels like a large, but it's not because it's got less length on the sleeve. A large would give a little bit more room. I feel like there's less room in the body of the tee, but a size medium for sure from Supreme. Still a dope fit. I'm really scared to see what a small would be just because small never fits me, but I'm sure it would be massively smaller than this one would be just based off of previous people who have gotten smalls, but I don't know. So anyways, now look what just showed up. Got my blanket, I got my terry cloth shirt. We're gonna get into the week 19 stuff. I forgot to tell you guys though that this shirt is stone wash, not acid wash. I don't know why I was thinking acid wash. Stone wash is what I was thinking for this basketball tee. Anyways, I'm gonna get into this blanket. This lizard tee, obviously week 18. Anybody wondering about that? And this blanket is so massive. It comes in this regular bag, and then when you look inside there, you can see it already. There it is. I did get some Supreme stickers, the crazy one, Itchy the Killer, and then the Supreme box logo stickers. Hopefully I pronounced that right. Maybe I didn't, but you know, nothing else in that bag. Just this wonderful handmade Mexican blanket, and it does have a sticker tag on the front. There it is for you. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so there's some big pieces of tape holding down this plastic. Okay, there we go. Here it is, nice and solid colors. Looks like they just went with every color on the rainbow. It's so thick, I tell you what. This blanket is amazing. Let's see if I can get the lettering in the shot. There you are. What do you think? This blanket is massive. It is so massive. And I thought it was going to be a pretty big blanket. Ooh, this pilly stuff is going to come off all over and get on everything that it touches. So the first few shirts that you wear with this blanket, you know, are going to get destroyed, just so you know, unless you're going to sit around and pull off a bunch of little pillies or whatnot. 50% polyester, 50% acrylic hand wash. Here's a little tag down here. You guys can see it on the blanket. Got all your information on there, how to take care of it. And then you see how they tied it off. I'm trying to think of how exactly they made this, you know, with those big giant blanket making machines or fabric making machines. I can't remember what they're called, but yeah, I'm thinking they use one of those big massive machines that you slide the little mouse through, you pull back the lever, you slide it through again, you pull it back like that, you slide it through, you pull back, slam it back, make sure it's all tight in there, all the threads you have in there. I'm looking, and I would say based off of the way that it's all stitched in there, that's probably how they did it. But I'm no expert, so you guys can tell me, school me on how they produce this blanket. It does seem like it's already used just because of, yeah, that handmade process. They just got little pillies and fabric all over this thing like crazy. So tell me what you think. Tell me what your thoughts are on all this stuff that's covering now my lizard tee. Look at all this. That is crazy. Oh well though, I'm just gonna go with it. I'm not gonna put this on top of any of my stuff that I'm selling because yeah, it's gonna destroy it. All right, cool blanket. Now let's get into the terry cloth tee. Man, I was not sure about this tee, but I really wasn't able to grab anything else quick enough from the week 19, that last week. I wanted those Vans, didn't happen. That's okay though. I probably wouldn't wear them anyways. They're kind of, I don't know, just something I probably wouldn't wear that much. But here in this one, we did get another lizard tee sticker. That is cool because I really like that graphic. So now I can use one of the stickers and then stock the other. Ooh, that blanket just put a bunch of fabric pieces in the air. Made my eyes water for a second there. Ooh, that was weird. Okay, well, anyways. Here's the terry cloth tee. I thought it was so weird that they would make a tee with terry cloth, so I just wanted to grab it, see how it was gonna look. Thought it could be pretty wearable. It has a bunch of text kind of embossed in there. It does come in that standard Supreme Ziploc bag with the logo down at the bottom. You got your warning information, very common, and then your sticker tag. There is your sticker tag there. At first, this shirt did not sell out. I mean, the purple one did, and then the other colorways were sort of sitting. Now they are all sold out because it's the very end of the season. And there's nothing else you can really get from Supreme, so people are just grabbing up everything that's left. And yeah, so this terry cloth is not super thick. It's not a crazy thick terry cloth like some of their other stuff. It feels real thin and nice. Feels real light. And I did get a medium for more of a summer fit because I was thinking a large was going to be way massive. And plus, I'm not really going to wear it in the winter time that much. I mean, maybe, but this is more of like a summer cozy tee after you've been out in the water or something. I don't know. It's terry cloth, so that basically means it's like a towel, like a beach towel or something. So they just took beach towel material and made it into a shirt. And it does say Supreme New York all over it. It's upside down, right side up. You can look in there. You can see all that text. So here's the tag though on the back of the neck. Size medium. Bottom left, you got this other tag on the inside. You got the back of that one as well. Lastly, I'll throw this one on for your viewing pleasure. Let's do it. Here we go. Yeah, this tee is awesome. And I did switch out my pants because I was waiting actually a little while for this blanket to show up. So that little cut there, that was actually an hour or so. So yeah, I changed my pants. Those jeans were a little bit too hot. I want something more cozy, but still looks good and whatnot. So yeah, these ones work really well. These pants work really well with this top. I mean, come on. How can you go wrong with black and white? However you want to mix and match them, they just go really well together. So before I let you guys go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you. We've been following the story of Moses right now. They're in the wilderness where there's nothing for them to really eat. They just escaped from the Egyptians because of all of these natural disasters that happen. And then, you know, Moses was already stirring up the Israelites to want to leave the land and go back to the land that their forefathers had lived in. Moses wanted all the Israelites to go back to their roots. But there was this huge population of the Israelites that just did not want to change, and they had to die out. That people group just needed everything handed to them because that's how they had lived. So in the wilderness, Moses learns a lot of different things. He says at one point he's the most humble person who has ever lived, or the most humble person on the planet. And you get when he says that he's writing this and he's writing it from his perspective. And you always have to take that into account whenever you're reading any part of the Bible, that the writer is writing it from their perspective and not from an overarching perspective or even God's perspective. Nobody would know 100% what God's perspective is because God doesn't speak to us in that way. I think the way that God shows himself through anybody is through love and kindness. So whenever you're doing those things and helping out another friend or helping out a person, you're showing them God. You're showing them Christ. You're showing them this way of living that is worth more than another way of living. It's not that we're trying to say we're so much better, but when you're helping other people, when you're kind to other people, it really helps you on the inside to feel good about yourself. And then, you know, you can start moving away from all those selfish desires that we always have. I mean, it is fun to have business and to go after some different items. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. I think you should totally have a personality and be yourself, because if you're trying to be this cookie cutter person of a person, then you can't be yourself. And that's what so many people want us to do. They want us to be this specific way. And I say no, be yourself. Be who you are created to be. Be the artistic person, be the analytical person, whatever it is. We can all do this from a place of love. We can all learn to not be putting other people down and be like, no, putting people down is my personality, bro. No, that's not cool. I mean, maybe you're a comedian and maybe you say some funny stuff, but you still gotta be thinking about those people's feelings and make sure those jokes you're making, that person can take it. They know who you are, they know that you care about them and love them, and that those jokes come from a place of love, and you're honestly just trying to lighten the mood. That's a totally different thing. So anyways, I love you guys all so much. I'm going camping for the next couple of days. I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to put out this video. I have some other things I really wanted to show you guys, but they're not coming in the mail because mail is crazy backed up. There's just so much. It's crazy. It's like 9 o'clock at night and I finally got my blanket. I've been waiting for a while. But that UPS driver, man, he's working hard today. You know, I know they don't start as early as us at USPS, but I feel for him. So anyways, I'm gonna hit the road. Peace out.